Are men in a friendship recession? According to polls conducted by the Survey Center on American Life, only 1 in 5 men reported receiving social support from guy friends in the week prior versus 2 in 5 for women. More than half of all men report feeling unsatisfied with the number of friends that they have, and 20% of single men don't have any close friends. Here with us to discuss is Sweetser's medical director, Dr. Marc Kaplan. Thank you so much, Dr. Kaplan. We appreciate you coming on the show.
Thanks so much for having me.
So what is the connection between quality friendships, or the lack thereof as the case may be, and your mental health?
So many things. First of all, when we think of someone who's at their worst in terms of their mental health and thinking about suicide, when you ask them, what are they living for? The majority will say, my friends or my family, or some combination of those. They'll never say, I'm living for this, 1987 basketball signed by Julius Erving, the objects. They really speak about their friendships. So the people we worry about the most are people that are disconnected from other people in meaningful relationships. And there's reasons why many men end up disconnected, and men need to really teach other men and model for other men how to have meaningful relationships, especially intimate relationships.
Yeah, let's talk about that, because it seems like all the data points are saying that men in particular have a difficult time, or a greater difficulty, developing and maintaining friendships. Why do you think that is?
Well, there's a couple of things. Number one, if you're going to be a friend to somebody, you got to expose your vulnerability. Men don't want to be vulnerable. Men want to be like, I'm James Bond. I'm on top of my game, And so to be vulnerable, to be real, to be authentic, to show some emotion to a male friend is a difficult thing, but it's life-saving and very, very important. And we got to model it for those of us that are fathers. Got to model it for our kids.
You said life-saving, so yeah. How important is it, just to underscore, how important is it for men to have that social support system?
It's very, very important on many levels. All the studies they've done on chronic physical health conditions that men struggle from, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, these things, protective factors for them are meaningful relationships. Makes a difference, it really does. Same thing, again, when you think about the most important relationships you have, maybe an intimate relationship with a partner, right? Those are not easy. You need people to talk to and vent and get feedback about it.
Well, to that point, if anyone needs professional help processing their feelings or their emotions,
yes.
What can they do?
Well, one of the things they can do is call us, Sweetser, look at us up, sweetser.org. We have therapists, we have all kinds of ways to help people connect to natural supports.